In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check resolution of images in Canva. Canva doesn't display DPI or exact pixel density inside the editor like professional tools do, but there are reliable ways to make sure your images will look crisp, especially if you're preparing something for print. I'll walk you through a simple workflow that covers checking before you upload, judging quality inside Canva, and confirming everything after you export. First, check the original image before you upload it. This is the easiest way to avoid quality issues later. On Windows, find your image file, right-click it, choose Properties, then go to the Details tab. There you'll see horizontal and vertical resolution listed in DPI. For print, look for around 300 DPI, which is considered a high-quality standard. If you see a lower value, or if the image is physically small in pixels, that's a signal it might not print sharply at larger sizes. Doing this quick pre-flight check helps you decide whether to source a higher resolution file before you even start designing. Next, take a practical look inside Canva by zooming in. Once your image is on the canvas, zoom to 200% or more and inspect edges, fine details, and any text within the image. If it looks blurry, blocky, or grainy at higher zoom, it's likely not going to hold up for print. This visual inspection doesn't give you an exact DPI number, but it's a fast, realistic gauge of how the image will feel at size. If it looks crisp and detailed under magnification, that's a good sign. Finally, export a high-resolution file and check that result. Canva's export options have different effective DPI targets. If you're preparing for print, download as a PDF print, which embeds images at about 300 DPI and is designed for high-quality output. PNG or JPG exports are generally optimized for screens and often sit around 96 DPI by default. After exporting, save the file to your computer and open it in an image viewer or a design program. Look for the reported DPI, or at least the pixel dimensions. Viewing at 100% zoom can also reveal whether edges remain clean. If it looks pixelated there, you can expect similar softness in print. Putting these three habits together, verifying the original file, doing a zoom test inside Canva, and confirming your exported file, gives you a dependable way to assess resolution without needing a built-in DPI readout. Use them as a quick checklist each time, and you'll catch issues early, keep your designs sharp, and print with confidence.